Welcome to the Laptop Lifestyle. I'm Kevin, and we're about to get into today's video, which is on the subject of how to get new customers on demand. So what are you going to learn in this short video? Well, quite a few things actually. The main ones being how to switch on an instant flow of highly targeted traffic. You're going to discover how you can do in just minutes what would normally take you days, or in the past would take you days. This is a real game changer. You're also going to make marketing and promoting yourself so much easier, and how to generate much higher profits. That's going to be the result. So why this? Well, there are two types of traffic, as you already know. There's free traffic, which is never really free because what you're doing is giving your time. And there's paid traffic. Now, paid traffic sounds costly, and it can be, but this isn't what I'm about to show you. With free traffic, it can sometimes take quite a while before it starts to actually flow for you. The nice thing about paid traffic, it's usually that quick and it starts. Now, I use both free and paid traffic. And what we're going to be discussing today is YouTube ads. So why YouTube ads? Well, for three reasons. First of all, compared to AdWords, they're really, really inexpensive. The lovely thing about paid ads is I can switch it on within a minute, 2 minutes from now, and I can switch it off at will and switch it on again tomorrow morning. Just be here when the traffic's coming in, or lots of different options. The potential of YouTube traffic is absolutely huge. Now I'm going to do something I don't usually do. Usually I go and show you the software myself, but the video I'm about to show you is actually 10 times better than I could ever make. So I'm going to play that for you instead.
Imagine for a second being able to harness the power of the second largest search engine in the world, like never before, to skyrocket your sales and profits this month and beyond. Imagine getting your ads in front of millions of laser-targeted customers. I'm talking here about a brand new way to grow your sales on YouTube. Introducing Vluio, that allows you to quickly find highly relevant and popular monetized videos on YouTube in whatever niche you're marketing in. It works on PC, Mac, mobile, any device with a web browser. Once you've located your monetized videos, you can start showing your ads on them in a matter of minutes, getting your marketing message in front of hordes of laser-targeted traffic. Remember, YouTube reaches more adults between 18 to 34 than any cable television channel in the world today. People watch 6 billion hours of video footage on YouTube every single month. Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, product creation, blogging, or any kind of internet marketing, you need to listen to every word of this short presentation. Because people watching monetized YouTube videos in your niche are some of the most targeted traffic you can go after. Finding these monetized, highly relevant videos in your niche used to be a massive, time-consuming, laborious task. It could take days, weeks, and sometimes months trying to collate a large list of relevant, monetized videos in your niche manually. Not anymore though. Vluio will gather endless lists of these highly relevant, monetized YouTube videos for you rapidly, so you can start seeing a positive ROI from as soon as today. And you barely have to lift a finger to make it happen. There's no more endless hours spent looking for the videos you need to advertise on. No more missed opportunities to reach audiences of thousands of laser-targeted traffic. No more missing out on higher conversions and lower ad costs because of the unfair advantage precision targeting on YouTube like this really means for your business. Let's take a quick look inside the dashboard of Vluio. So here we are inside the YouTube video search area of Vluio. If we click on video search, you can get started looking for the videos you want to search and place your ads on. You can search for the videos by keyword, or you can filter by likes, dislikes, views, or comments. Plus you can search by more advanced criteria like video duration, license type, and more. The search results can reveal the level of monetization on the videos you find, whether they have pre-roll ads or overlay ads. The results can also show whether videos have any monetization at all. You can quickly preview videos and video ads. Say you're promoting a product on Shopify, for instance. You can type in the keyword Shopify on the top left and the software will go out looking for videos that relate to this niche with monetization already on them. When the search results come back, you can see a thumbnail of the video you can click on to open up the video itself. You have the video title and a button to immediately redirect you to the video on YouTube. You can quickly select videos and display URLs for importing into your Google Ads video campaign. The monetization column shows you video ads that are prepared on this particular video. You can also export lists of videos to CSV or XLS files to use later on. Say you're choosing videos that have over 1,000 views or 1,000 comments, so you know they are active videos. I could put these filter requirements in and search again, and I get these videos coming up in the filtered search. If I want to save these videos to place ads on later on, I can click Save URLs and copy and paste them inside Google AdWords to look at later. Or I can download the CSV file which contains those URLs. Or I can save any particular search inside the software itself and give that list a name like My Shopify Videos. I can come back to review that list at any time, as often as I want. You can save your results to unlimited lists with Fluio. If you go back to the dashboard, you can easily relocate the search we saved again with the list of videos we want to target. You can find videos relating to any niche, any time, and with any product. Just this one feature alone resulted in one of our marketers quadrupling the amount of sales he was making last month by placing ads on highly relevant videos. And there's more. You can also use Fluio to find YouTube creators you can ask to promote or advertise your products directly. They used to be really hard to find, taking days, sometimes to come up with a list manually of suitable prospects to approach. Now you can find a list of them in seconds, all with a simple click of the Creator Search button. It will bring up an instant list of channels, content creators or influencers. We can now reach out to them instantly, as Fluio will provide you with their social media links, emails and website links. You can type in your keyword on the top right again to search for the niche you want to find creators in and narrow the results down to a channel you want to work with. You can even find out how popular these YouTubers are. You can look for what I call realistic YouTubers, or people with, say, less than 100k subscribers. By realistic, I mean these people are not so famous that they might ignore my message. I can also put in a minimum amount of views so I know they have some audience, and can filter by categories like monthly uploads. You can get links come up in the search here that you can click on to open their channel, or we can look at other links they have on their video page. You can now open those links to see if they are active. Just like with the other video search, you can export the list of creators you looked at in the CSV and XLS files and come back and look at them later. Again, you can save the list of creators to an unlimited number of lists. There is also a Google Ads Builder inside Fluio, so you can create your own Google ad campaigns inside the software quickly and easily, and your own ad groups. Fluio will create an ad with placeholder images and texts for you in seconds. You can configure custom ad variables, configure a custom tracking template, and assign selected YouTube videos as ad targets. When using the software to build Google Ads for you, just select the videos you want to advertise on and then select Build Google Ad. It's as simple as that. You also get advanced video ads tracking and analytics inside Fluio. Fluio has a cutting-edge built-in tracking solution in its software. This first-party cooking tracking system is incredibly accurate. If you've been using a third-party tracking solution like Google Analytics for any amount of time, you'll know how unreliable it can be. And you need a reliable tracking system to run successful YouTube ads so you can kill off non-converting campaigns that are costing you money. Our beta testers also remarked on how easy it was to use, especially compared to the massive nightmare of features inside Google Analytics. You get to create unlimited tracking links. You get an easy setup tracking template supplied to you to paste directly into your Google Ads in your account, campaign, ad group or ad level. You get an analytics charting function. You can also export all your clicks and conversions to CSV or XLS files for offline analysis and detection. The algorithm we use will spot fraudulent or multiple clicks on your URLs. You'll also get an IP blacklist for your Google Ads account to reduce advertising costs and boost your conversions. The video ads tracking button allows you to track your conversions and see how your ads are performing at a glance. The setup is super easy. Just paste your tracking template directly into Google Ads. Here you can look at data like your visitors, your conversions, and your revenue per visitor. Inside the visitors grid, you can see at a glance when they visited. You can see the country, the browser, the operating system, or the language, or which ad group and creative they came from. You can see if any visitor resulted in a conversion or not. And there's more. Inside Vluio, you also get access to a growing array of YouTube video ads. Here you can spy on your competitors and look at the ads they are using. You get access to a constantly growing list of all video ads and statistics. You can refer to these ads as often as you like to discover what does and doesn't work for you to make a positive ROI with YouTube advertising and drive down your ad costs. With this technology, you'll be seeing dramatic growth in the percentage of people viewing your ads, watching to the end and buying. You'll be saving a fortune on ad cost and increase your profit and ROI from each ad. And you'll be saving your precious time along the way. Right now, Vluio is the golden goose opportunity you've been waiting for. The time for action is now. Take advantage of Vluio now and harness the money-making power of highly targeted YouTube advertising to grow your business to levels you never thought possible. This special launch price is for a limited time only. Scroll down and click the order button now. Thanks for your time and thanks for choosing Vluio.
Wow, what a product. I'm definitely going to be having a copy of this myself very shortly because I can see so many uses for this. Now, I'm here on the sales page, and it's going to, if you don't buy it before the next 4 days, the price goes up a little bit. There's a special offer on at the moment. Anyway, you're going to get access to this page in just a moment. Come and spend as much time on here as you want to. See what people have to say about it, see how to use it. And I think they've got some bonuses here for you as well. Not too sure, just trying to find them. One of those bonuses is they actually give you another piece of desktop software, and it's a powerful research tool. I was in here earlier looking at it. It really is very special, and here is it being used. So they're going to give you this in conjunction with Vluio. Okay, so that's their bonus. But I have some bonuses for you as well. Now, to get through to my bonuses, all you have to do is click the link directly below this video, and it'll bring you through to this page that I've actually made. Now, I put a couple of the videos on here for you again. These are the two I suggest you watch. They're similar, but they are different. The second one is particularly good. Now, before I tell you about the bonuses I have for you, let's just tell you what does it cost. Now, it's not a cheap piece of software, but it's not expensive when you consider what it'll do for you. So you have three options. There are no upsells. You have three options. You can pay one time. Now, imagine this, just one time, lifetime payment, nothing more to pay, $197. You can pay yearly, $99. That's a great deal. Or you can pay monthly if you prefer to, and it's $29 a month. But you're going to be making a saving of, well, just work it out for yourself. That's about 3 times as much as buying it for the year, or a lot more than the one-time payment. Anyway, as I said, to get through to this page, just click the link directly below this video, and it'll bring you through here. And I have these bonuses for you. And to claim them, all you have to do is click on this link, and it'll take you through to the Vluio sales page. Now, if you purchase after going through this link, I'm going to give you these 8 bonuses. 8 bonuses. The first one is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. Now, I've been doing a lot with Instagram just recently, and it's starting to take off, and I'm driving traffic. So you might want to learn to do the same. Some of the big boys who do this, or the people who've been it for a while, they drive tons of traffic. This is a really valuable one. It's how to explode your YouTube channel. This is exactly what I'm trying to do right now, and it's just starting to take off. So you might want to learn how to do the very same. I've got a complete product in here for you called Printly. The reason I put it in there, I have a friend who makes his entire living through Printly, and he won't stop raving about it. So I decided to give it as a bonus. The following 3 bonuses, this one, and this one, well, they all work in conjunction with each other. They're really about email marketing. Now, if you're not doing email marketing, you're leaving a big sum of money on the table for somebody else to claim. And these 3 might just get you going. The third one being list building on steroids. I make the majority of my income from email marketing, and it is very, very profitable. So think about mastering it. I've got you 2 more products here. These are both Facebook products. Now, I drive quite a bit of traffic from Facebook, and that's why I've included those. So to get these, remember, all you have to do is click to the sales page using this link, and when you've purchased, you'll be sent to another page, and the green access button, or the green button, will access your product, and the blue one will give you access to all the bonuses up above here. So, do you have any comments or questions? Because if you do, I'll be really glad to answer them for you. What I'd like to know is if you like this video. If you did, please give it the blue thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel, because if you do so, I'll keep you updated with every new video that I make. Now, that's one way of getting profit generating information, but another way is by joining my email list. And to do that, all you have to do is, as soon as this video is finished in just a second, is go to the front of this page and click on the little globe at the right here, and that'll bring you back to this page. And if you subscribe, I'll keep you entertained. I'll keep you updated with profit generating information. And if it's not for you, you can unsubscribe at any time, and we can both still remain friends. So look, I've really enjoyed making this video for you today. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time, bye bye for now.